It's a dull, cool morning this morning. We're going to take up the beets. 2 beds of beets. Some places they don't look like they've grown well, but I'm sure I'll get plenty of beets for me for the year. I'll pull up the weeds too. Welcome back to the channel. I've been very slack at the end of the season for weeding. It's kind of embarrassing actually in some places. I'm gonna chop the tops off. You gotta leave somewhat of a top on your beet. These beets, this size, I'll just, well, this one I'll probably cut in half and just throw them directly in the bottle. But when they get up to this size, they're getting nice because I can make, say 1, 2, 3 or 4 cuts and then cut those in half. When I have to start quartering them, I don't like that. But even this size, see, I'll get a little beet out of this, a whole baby beet type thing. There's the proper size of what I'm usually looking for. doesn't take that long, especially when you can speed it up in editing. I got this bucket, I guess about half full out of this first bed, and earlier in the year that bed was growing better than this one here. So I may get more than that 7-gallon bucket full. This bed has some food volunteers. This looks like a Yukon Gold potato. We'll find out when we dig it, of course. There's some carrot seed growing. Some more carrot seed down here. And over there, there's 4 or 5 California poppy. Now this one, the seed is popped already. What is it, 1 year seed, 7 years weed? But as I said, this bed, it was growing better earlier, so I'll take up the beets now and we'll see what we got. $35-liter bucket full of beets. So that's good. I won't need to put meadow clippings on this one. As you can see, there's a lot of vegetation on here already. This vegetation, I'm going to take all of this and put over here, so the beet tops and all the weeds, because this bed is where the garlic is going to go. I need to put a layer of sifted compost on here and then just plant the garlic. Now let's talk about the huge beets, the ones that were growing in with the onions. This thing is huge. Beet greens are very nutritious, but it is something that I've never eaten. I brought out the kitchen scale so that we can weigh it. (1,122 grams). So 1.1 kilograms. I'll change the units. We got 2 pounds, 7.6 ounces. Now I have 3 more large beets. Not as large as that one, of course. That's 6.8 ounces, 192 grams. That one's 370 grams, which is 13 ounces. This one is 14.7 ounces, which will give you 416 grams. I was editing the video and I found I was missing the part where I weighed the beets. I assume I didn't press record, but I don't know. This is the beets that I collected back in August. And so here's our big ones. Now I put that in and weigh them together. That'll be the beets that we got from those 2 beds. So that would be 38 pounds where the black harm is. And if I now add my large beets, we have just over 41 pounds. Yeah, that's our beet harvest. I got quite a few nice sized beets, the size that I like, and then the ones that I'll make just into old pickled beets. Now these, I'm wondering, so put in the comments if you have any ideas. What I'm thinking about is if I slice them and roast it, and then I put it on 2 slices of toast, like a beef burger, except for you have a slice of beet instead of the beef. That's what I'm thinking about now. I'll do some research, but like I said, if you have any ideas, leave it in the comments. And I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one.